Okay, we want to give the symbol or formula of a species that will oxidize silver to silver ion, but not copper to copper 2. And there may be, the answer may be none. So we have the electrode potentials here, and we can see silver right here, and we can see copper 2 right here. Okay, so let's learn to read this table again. As we go down, all these on the right, these are going to be reducing agents. Okay, so these are reducing agents, and they get oxidized. And as we go down, remember that the stronger oxidizing agent, those are at the top. So this is the stronger oxidizing agent, and these are the weaker oxidizing agents. And then over here, it's just the reverse. These are the weaker reducing agents, and down here, we have the stronger reducing agents. Okay, so if we look, we see that we can compare silver and copper, and we can see that copper is a stronger reducing agent than silver. Okay, so as far as reducing agents go, copper is stronger than silver. But over here, silver ion is a stronger oxidizing agent than copper 2. Okay, so we could write it that way. Stronger oxidizing agent. Okay, and we also need to remember that redox, oxidation reduction reactions favor the formation of weaker oxidizing and reducing agents. So in order for a reaction to occur, you've got to form the weaker. You start with the stronger and you end up with the weaker. So we would be looking for something probably in between these two, so that one would react with copper but not with silver. That's what we would really be looking for. Let's see if that's the case. Let's just take iron here. We could take iron 3. So would iron 3 be a candidate to oxidize silver to silver plus and iron 2? Is that possible? So let's take a look. Is this a weaker, so what would that be? That would be a weaker reducing agent. Then what's my reducing agent over here? Is this the stronger reducing agent? So we need to look and see if that's the case. And the answer is silver metal is a weaker reducing agent than iron 2. So this reaction will not happen. What that means is there is no substance, no species, I shouldn't write it that way. There's not any species that will oxidize silver to Ag but not copper to copper 2. Now we could reverse this And let's take a look at that. Let's reverse this whole thing. What if we did it the other way around? Is there something that will oxidize copper to copper 2, but not silver to silver ion? So again, let's take a look at iron 3. This is our oxidizing agent. So when we said something that will oxidize, we're going to look at these on the left. So let's go back to iron 3. Will iron 3 oxidize copper to copper 2 plus iron 2? So again, this is iron 2 is going to be my reducing agent. This is going to be my oxidizing agent. It needs to be the weaker one. Is that the case? Will iron 2 be the weaker? And if we look at it here, iron 2 is the weaker. It's higher up than copper. So this is, over here, copper is going to be my stronger reducing agent, and this is going to be my stronger oxidizing agent. Copper 2 is a weaker oxidizing agent than iron 3. Okay, so this so far is yes, that will work. What about iron 3 plus silver? Will this happen? Will this reaction go? And we already said that producing iron 2 is not going to happen because iron 2 is a stronger reducing agent than silver. So this is no reaction. So to answer this question, is there a species that will oxidize copper metal to copper 2, but not silver metal to silver? The answer to this question is yes. It would be iron 3. Another example, we could say, or iodine. So those are in between.